Hello, everyone! Today we're embarking on a journey to one of the most awe-inspiring and spiritually significant places on Earth, Meteora, Greece. Nestled in the heart of the country, Meteora is a place where nature's majesty meets human ingenuity. In this video, we'll delve into the history, geology, and the mesmerizing monasteries that make Meteora a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, buckle up as we explore the suspended wonders of Meteora. Meteora translates to suspended in the air or in the heavens above. And suspended they are, towering rock pillars that seem to defy gravity. This geological marvel is located in central Greece, near the town of Kalabaka. Millions of years ago, the rock pillars of Meteora were shaped by the forces of nature, a dance between rivers, weather erosion, and time itself. Composed of sandstone and conglomerate, these towering monoliths are a testament to the Earth's geological history. The real marvel of Meteora lies not just in its geology, but in the monasteries that seem to cling to the rocks like ancient sentinels. In the 14th century, monks sought refuge in these seemingly inaccessible heights to escape political turmoil. Originally, there were 24 monasteries, but today, 6 remain active and open to the public. The construction of the monasteries of Meteora is a remarkable feat of human ingenuity and determination. The process of building these monasteries on top of towering rock pillars involved a combination of skilled craftsmanship, resourcefulness, and sheer effort. The construction methods varied, but they generally followed a similar pattern. The monks chose locations on the top of high, steep rock pillars to provide isolation, security, and a closer proximity to the divine. The lack of road access meant that all construction materials had to be transported manually or using primitive systems. Monks and workers often used baskets, ropes, and pulleys to haul materials up the cliffs. Some materials were also transported by ladders and cranes. Building on such inaccessible cliffs posed significant challenges. Workers had to contend with adverse weather conditions, the danger of falling, and the difficulty of transporting heavy materials. Despite these challenges, the construction was carried out over an extended period, and the monasteries stand as enduring symbols of human perseverance. In 1988, UNESCO recognized Meteora as a World Heritage Site. The geological importance, cultural significance, and harmonious integration of monastic architecture with the natural landscape earned it this prestigious designation. Meteora is not merely a destination. It's a living testament to the coexistence of nature and human history. Today, Meteora is not only a historical and spiritual treasure, but also a popular tourist destination. Visitors from around the world come to witness the breathtaking landscapes, explore the monasteries, and immerse themselves in the rich cultural and historical tapestry of the region. Reaching Meteora starts in the town of Kalabaka, the gateway to this enchanting destination. Roads lead to the base, but to reach the monasteries, visitors must navigate stairs and pathways. The journey demands effort, but the reward is an unparalleled experience amidst the suspended wonders. In conclusion, Meteora, Greece, is a place where nature's beauty and human craftsmanship converge in a symphony of awe and inspiration. If you ever get the chance to visit, don't hesitate. It's a journey through history, spirituality, and the sheer grandeur of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Until next time.